Amidst the tranquil hills stands a house that blends luxury with simplicity. From the outside, it appears both sturdy and warm, as if it wants to blend in with the surrounding nature. This house is not just a residence, but a space designed to embrace the light, air, and beautiful views. The base is constructed of strong stone, creating a stable foundation while also providing a natural feel. Meanwhile, the wood cladding on the upper floors provides visual warmth, making the house feel more in tune with its surroundings. The combination of the two creates a harmony of solidity and softness. When the large doors are opened, the boundaries between inside and outside disappear. The living room, dining room, and gathering area flow freely into the courtyard, creating a more open living experience. This is the concept of living in harmony with nature, where fresh air and sunlight are part of the home's daily life. The double-height space adds a sense of spaciousness while promoting natural ventilation. Natural light flows in gently, creating a warm atmosphere during the day without overwhelming the space. In this way, the house remains comfortable throughout the day without relying too much on artificial energy. The choice of natural materials also reflects environmental awareness. Wood and stone not only enhance the appearance but also provide thermal comfort, light control, and privacy. Simple ideas like these can easily be applied to other homes, for example, by using local materials, increasing ventilation, and providing shady green spaces. Ultimately, this house serves as an inspiration for how we can create homes that are in harmony with nature. It teaches that true beauty exists when design is not only pleasing to the eye but also supports a healthier, more sustainable, and more peaceful life. This kind of residence is not just a building, but a reflection of a more harmonious way of living with the environment.